Welcome everyone. This video is about the BTW Instructional Wiki. So we're starting out in our course main Moodle page. So you see where we are here. If you need a tutorial about what Moodle is, please see my other videos. It's right up here at the top. Okay, so there's a couple of ways that you can easily access the BTW Wiki, which is basically our online text. It will have an explanation of all of our assignment prompts, as well as explanation of concepts and skills that we are using to complete those assignments. Okay, so while what our assignments are in the wiki, the deadlines for those assignments are in the Moodle here. So this gives us a summary, and if you click on any of these links for an assignment, it will immediately take you into the wiki for that particular assignment. So when you first try to open the wiki or access the wiki, you will need to log in with your NetID and password. This is your University of Illinois one. And then once you are logged in, it will automatically open up the assignment page that you want to access. Okay, so each of these pages, this explains the assignment and what task you are meant to accomplish, what documents you are creating, and what you'll need to submit to me for grading. So those are examples of that. So that's one way to get into the BTW Wiki, is just by clicking the link that will lead you directly to the assignment that you want to view. Another way to get into the BTW Wiki is just this easy web link right here in the intro section. So regardless of what week you click on, this intro will always be up here and you'll be able to click on that. A third way to access the BTW Wiki is to go to our syllabus by clicking this link in the intro section, and then our syllabus will pop up, and one of our resources in the syllabus is the BTW Instructional Wiki. So it explains what it is, and then it has a very easy link to follow. You have to click Control click, and if you open it up, that will take you directly to the intro page for this section of BTW 250. Okay, so that's how you get there from the syllabus. So going back to our Moodle page, if I were to click on this link here, open the BTW Wiki, okay, so this is the intro to the wiki overall. So there are many course builds inside of the BTW Wiki, so we want to get to the correct course. So to do that, you want to come over here to your left and go down to Traces, which is basically another word for course builds, and go down to Mega Consulting. That is the particular course that you are taking online. So click on Mega Consulting. Now there are two versions of Mega Consulting. There is the 8-week one, specifically for summer, and then the 16-week one for fall or spring. So we're taking the summer section, so I'm going to click on the Mega Consulting 8 link. Okay, so this gets us to the exact same page as clicking on the link from our syllabus. So if you click here, it takes us to the same page. Okay, so this is your class, and it explains the hypothetical situation that you are in for the entire summer. Basically, Mega Consulting is the hypothetical employer or business that you work for. And in this situation, you are playing a character named Taylor. And Taylor has just gotten an entry-level job with Mega Consulting because of a family member connection of some kind. And your boss in this hypothetical situation is Alex Nostrovia. So anytime an assignment says that you are writing it to your boss, you should address it to Alex Nostrovia. So if it says write a memo to your boss, you would address it to Alex Nostrovia. And so this page just kind of explains a little bit more about your role and your job in mega consulting. Over here on the right-hand side, you will see all of the assignments that you are going to perform for the semester in the same order that they are listed, that I've listed them in our course Moodle. Over here, you'll also see what week they are due, which should also match what is listed in our Moodle, and the method by which they will be graded. So this will be giving ratings and comments. This will be a check scale, so on and so forth. You see there are 3 quizzes, and each of these you can click on to open the assignment prompt for that assignment. So let's say you're over here in Moodle and you want to get started on your very first assignment. So I will go to week 1 to start looking at what my first assignment is. Okay, my first assignment is listed as 7049. Notice that 7049 is also what's due first. So I know I need to read more about this assignment so I can figure it out. So I will open that up and it will take me to the assignment prompt in the wiki. I will read this and oh, I notice all of these highlighted concepts or terms. If I click on one of these, it will take me to another wiki page that explains that concept that is necessary for this assignment. So complexity or complex meaning is one of our learning objectives for this assignment. So that's a pretty good indicator that I have to demonstrate a mastery of complex meaning in order to do well in this assignment. So I want to know what that is. So I'm going to click on complexity and I'm going to read this page on complexity and think about how I can perform assignment 7049 with that in mind. So basically, the wiki is like an online text in which there is no perfect order to read everything in. You just kind of explore the wiki based off of what concepts you think will be useful for you to learn what you need to learn and perform the assignment. For example, there's this related link that is a frequently asked questions for this assignment. Well, I wonder what those are. I'm sure that will be helpful. So I'm going to open that up and read that page before I start working on this assignment, or maybe as I'm working on this assignment, so that I can do a better job of it. So this is a very student-directed or self-directed form of learning. And so once you've done enough research and you're working on this and you're figuring out new ways to finish your assignment and you're ready to finish your assignment, you'll create it in Word document, you'll save it, and then you'll come back to our course Moodle and upload it there. So that is basically how we use the course wiki. Again, if you ever get lost and you're trying to get back into the wiki, you can either click on this link here and navigate to it, go into the syllabus, and click on this link here, or you can simply, oh, that's not the right page. You can simply click on the assignment that you need, and that will take you into the BTW Wiki, or what is basically our textbook. Okay? And so notice over here on the left-hand side, this is also a navigational tool, so you can navigate to different assignments in our semester if the title matches what we're supposed to do in our syllabus. And that is basically the wiki. There's also a search tool up here, if I'm looking for assignment 7049, I might type that in. And here are all the pages that have that starting numerical value. And so all of these pages probably relate to the same assignment. So I might open all those up. And so that's it. It's basically a very empowering method of learning and self-directed learning. Well, I hope that this video was useful, and if you need any more help, I hope that you'll check out my other how-to videos. Thank you.